guys, this week we are going to be doing the world's fastest try-on haul. I have a lot of things here and I'm not trying to talk about them. I know you guys came here just to see what they look like on, so let's get started. But before we begin, if you are new to my channel, what's up? My name's Amanda and I post videos every Sunday, so check out my channel if you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe. Anyways, now that I'm done talking, let's get started into the video. So the first things I'm going to show you are from Forever 21. First thing I got is this red and white striped shirt. It's very Stranger Things, I guess. Just kidding, I'm a fake fan. It's just a red and white striped shirt. It's very like 70s, I feel like, or 80s. I think it's like 70s. They had a whole section of it at Forever 21, so I had to pick up some shirts. I got that one, and then I got this mustard yellow because yellow is everything to me right now. It's a happy color. And this one has white stripes along the collar and the sleeves. It's very fitted and you can see it here. The next two things I got are sportswear, activewear, whatever you call it. This one is a burgundy top with like this ribbed caging right underneath. And the reason I got it in this color especially was because I have matching like yoga pants from Forever 21. I love having a set because it just looks so cute. I'm trying not to say cute. Okay, sorry. I love having like a matching set because I just like the way it looks, having one color all the way down, so. The second top I got is another sports bra, and it is this like silver, I don't know, silver material. Okay, it's silver material and it's pretty simple. And I'm just throwing this in the haul as well. It's a black and white striped shirt that I got thrifted. It is kind of, I don't want to say oversized, but it is a small, so I'm assuming it's like a woman's small. Like it's a little bit, it's roomy. It's got some room. And the next store I went to is Fashion Q to get some inexpensive crop tops. I ended up getting two crop tops. They are the exact same shirt. One is in white, one is in black. They go with everything. These are incredibly soft too, and they were only like $4.99, so can't beat that. The next thing I got are these black and white striped high-waisted pants. They look kind of dressier. I'm not really sure where or when I will wear these, but I couldn't not get them because as you will see, the fit is on point. It looks so good. And this little style of like high-waisted shorts with the ruffle thing is like a trend going on, I feel like last summer, and it's going into this summer, and it's really cool because I love high-waisted things, so that's what those are. The last store I got things from was Target, and the first thing I got, I'm actually not sure if I'm gonna keep. It is called I know this, I know, I'm looking, I'm cheating. It's called a boater hat. It's like this straw hat with this black ribbon on the side. And to be honest, I'm really not sure of how I like the fit of it. I feel like the brim should be a little bit smaller. It looks a little big. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep that, but we'll see. We'll see. It was only $12.99, so maybe I will. But maybe, I can't see myself really wearing it. It's an impulse buy. I've seen that hat all over Instagram and I was like, I need that. And now I'm like, wait, do I? The next thing of an accessory, well actually all the next three things I got are from their new collection at Target called Universal Thread. I've never heard of it, and it's like taking over the Target clothing section, and I love it. It's like vintagey looking stuff, but obviously it's not vintage because it's at Target. Okay, I'm rambling, I'm sorry. We're going, fastest haul ever. The scarf I got is this yellow and white. It's very like vintage looking. I'm gonna stop saying that word because I already said that word. It's very delicate and just simple and yellow, you know, the happy color that I have everywhere now. The little packaging said it could be worn as a scarf, as a headband, or as a wrist accessory. Why you would do that, I don't know. And then the top I got is this mustard yellow, like crochet looking top. I don't think it's crochet. It's like this, I can't think of what it's called. It looks like expensive, and like the detailed bow on the sleeves and the off the shoulder, it's just everything right now, and yellow. And then the final and last thing I got are these bougie pants. They're jeans, but they have this embroidered flower pattern on the little side thigh. And this fit is called the mid-rise skinny. It says fitted hip and thigh, slim leg with power stretch. Fitted hip and thigh, slim leg with power stretch. I just thought that was super funny. Do some lunges with that power stretch. I really like the way they fit in the back, and the fit overall is really cute. This is a size 4 if you are wondering. And that is everything. Okay, I lied. That wasn't all. I actually got this top too, which is like this cool, like cuffed sleeve, like collared shirt. And it's very like beachy, very summery. And what I did was I thought it was kind of cute like this. You could tuck it in, or what I did was like tie it up in a little bow in front because it's like very 50s or 60s inspired. That is the end of my haul. I hope you guys liked it, and see you next Sunday. Bye.